Forgot that we even ordered this thing, but we just got the Amazon Echo in the mail. I literally have not opened this yet. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be. This is supposedly like kind of a Siri type vibe, made by Amazon, but for your entire house. So you just kind of plug it in somewhere, and you can ask it questions like you would ask Siri, but you say something. I forget what it is. It's like, hey Echo, blah 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 blah. Hey Echo, what's the weather? Hey Echo, any news today? Hey Echo, whatever. I don't think you say Echo. I think it says something else. So I'm going to mess around with this, try and set it up a little bit. Kind of a, you can't see that, but it glides around. Ooh, remote control for it. And a charging cable. Well, not charging cable, plug-in cable. No idea what that is. We're gonna just plug this in and try it out. Not gonna even make it look nice because it's probably not staying here in my office, but let me just see if I can run the plug somewhere. Oh, lights up. Kind of cool. All right, there's probably actually setup instructions for these, and I should read them.
Hello, your Amazon Echo is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Echo app.
I guess I gotta download an app. Connect your iPhone to the Echo. Go to the Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone and select the Amazon. Go Wi-Fi. Let's go Amazon. Connected.
You've connected to Echo. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Echo app.
Set the Wi-Fi network. Password's always Bob Saget. Echo is now connected to my Wi-Fi. Hey, a video.
Let's take a quick tour of your new Amazon Echo. You can just tell your Echo what you want to do. Have fun using your new Amazon Echo.
Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Center Moriches, it's 57 degrees with clear skies and sun. Tonight's forecast has cloudy skies moving in and out and a low of 46 degrees.
Alexa, play some music.
You might like this Prime playlist. Warm Up, classic rock.
Alexa, stop. Nice, works pretty well. So I guess we can also ask it definitions like, Alexa, what's the definition of a jester?
A jester means one who investigates insurance claims or claims for damages and recommends an effective settlement.
What? Alexa, what's the definition of jester?
The word jester means a professional clown employed to entertain a king or nobleman in the Middle Ages.
Guess this is volume control. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a Prime playlist you might like. Top Prime songs, alternative and indie.
I do like this playlist. This is actually pretty sweet. Alexa, who is Jester Jim?
Sorry, I didn't understand the question I heard.
I know. I'll give it a home kind of right in the middle of my house, and we will try it out, and I will give you guys a review and a full tutorial soon, but I just wanted to show you the setup of it. I do like it, especially in the center of my house, because you can set timers and stuff like that, and add things to your to-do list or shopping list, like, Alexa, add bacon to the shopping list.
I put bacon on your shopping list.
It's pretty cool. All right, I can't play with it anymore because the kids got to go to sleep, and, you know, we don't want Alexa waking them up. Chateau.